In this video, I'm going to show you how we load pigs and how simple it can be. When I first started farming and first started raising pigs, I'm not kidding, sometimes it would take us 8 hours to get 3 or 4 pigs into a livestock trailer. There were times where it took a couple of days to get pigs into a livestock trailer. And this is one of those things where my experience is really going to benefit you. While it does cost a few bucks to put together the system you're about to see, I also give you an option to do it very inexpensively, very simply. I'm telling you, this works. If there's one thing I'll hang my hat on, it's our little piggy loading corral. It makes it stress-free on the animals. It makes it very quick and very efficient for us, as you're about to see in this on-farm video. So what we're doing right now is actually opening up the split gates so we can set up our livestock trailer to load the pigs. And I'm going to use the tractor to back it into place. And once I get it backed into place, we'll get the gates secured off and we'll be ready to set up and get our pigs loaded into the trailer. We've got our livestock trailer backed up to our loading corral, which is a 12 by 12 area we use to load pigs and sometimes cows, but always pigs. What I'm going to do now is secure the trailer to these split gates that we backed up against, just in case somebody happens to get through this gate that's between me and the loading corral. It's a 2-is-1, 1-is-none philosophy here on the farm. So here's our first gate, which are just simply some T-posts and part of an old cattle panel that we've set up here that's just about the right width to catch the side of the livestock trailer. And then back here, we've just taken a chain and we've chained off our 6-foot split gate to the trailer. I'm actually going to do the same thing on the other side with the trailer and the split gate, just to make sure that that side's secure, even though there's a very, very small area right there. Again, it's just making sure we don't get an animal somewhere where we don't want it. So now we're all set up and ready to load our pigs, and basically what I'm standing is a 12 by 12 corral area. We refer to this as a loading corral. This is something I came up with years ago to try and make animal handling a whole lot easier, particularly doing it by myself. My wife Randy is here with me today, but this is something I can do alone. If need be. I've done it many times, but as always, it's easier with 2 people than 1. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to open up this swing gate on the back of the livestock trailer, which is all secured off to our split gates. We're then going to open this gate up. We've got our pigs right here who are really hungry. I'll explain that in just a minute. We'll swing this gate open. My wife will go in there. I'm going to pull the feed into here. I'm going to put the feed up into the livestock trailer, and then hopefully our really hungry pigs are going to auto load, which is the best ever when the pigs auto load. Once we get them into this small area, Brandy will close this gate behind me, and then we'll use the gate from the livestock trailer as well as our herding board over here if we need to finish pushing the pigs into the trailer. So we've got 4 pigs here that we're getting ready to load up. Actually, one of them's going to stay behind. She got in here on accident. She'll probably load with everybody else and we'll have to get her back out. That's okay. We've got 3 pigs that are going to the butcher today. What we've done is on like Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we fed the pigs, but we didn't give them a full ration. So they weren't starving, but they were kind of hungry. And then yesterday, we just let them in here into this training corral area to graze. So they had grass, but we did not give them any grains. They're very hungry this morning. They're ready for breakfast because they missed dinner last night. We're going to put the food in here and hopefully the pigs will do the rest.